Hey guys, welcome to Wolverine Gaming from server 1051, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to score in VS or Alliance Duel, how you can improve your score or multiply it by some additional features. Okay, so many of you know that how Alliance Duel works, but if you don't know that how it works, you can go to the VS section in here, and you just have to complete the daily basis task like clicking on today's theme. They told you to do this task for earning points, so you can check this task and complete the task like radar task, or use 1 minute construction speed up, or increase building power, train level 1 units, etc., and you'll get that respective points, and you can contribute to your alliance for win. Okay, so you can check your duel progress like we are leading by 7-0 against our opponents in this duel. Can be between same server or cross servers. Okay, mostly it will be cross servers, but at the start it will be same server, so you need to compete very seriously in here. So you can check all advanced task in here by clicking on the days like this. You can check the task in advance or get preview of what you can save for next day's task. Okay, so this is the basic of alliance duel, and on day 6, which happens on Saturday every, so you can go to the alliance assault and click on the attack, and you will get teleport to the cross zone, and you can attack, kill, and get points, or if your units get killed, still you get points of that. Okay, so most important thing to score more in the alliance duel, you can see duel progress in points ranking. You can see right now I'm on 17 in total, and if you check weekly rank in here, you can see I'm on number 3 right now, and in your alliance you can see I'm at number 2. So how to score multiple in this task? Okay, so you have to go to the first tech center or second tech center you got. So you need to research on alliance duel. You can see my research is going on alliance duel right now. Your priority must be alliance duel to get extra points benefit. Okay, so for your team and for you yourself also, you can see I have got maximum things at max, and they need research in here. You can see we can get extra points up to 50% on every research we get. You can see I have maxed it, and we got 50% more than other ones. Okay, so you can also unlock all these 7 to 9 tires by completing these research in tech center. Okay, so you must try to develop your alliance dual research mostly. You can max it, and you will get most the benefits for your alliance or yourself. You can go to VS, and in today's theme you can collect all the rewards to complete the scores of your. You can see I can now I can now gain these ninth box. So this can be unlocked only via alliance dual research. Okay, you need to at least get 6 level of these two, and you will unlock the super bonus tier 7 to 9 rewards, which can be very helpful or usable in future. So that's it guys, I hope this video helps you. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more gaming related videos.